Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will start by verifying prerequisites: Java 11 Spring Boot, and a chosen open API library. Add the dependency and immediately create a minimal config class to expose API info. This is the first actionable step. Once done, configure the base package scan so controllers are discovered. Make sure to add title and version values so the docs are meaningful. This small upfront work prevents missing endpoints later and gives you a live UI to iterate against. Next, focus on the middle steps, annotating controllers and models so the generated docs reflect real behavior. You should add operation summaries and response schemas. This explains the how and why to consumers. Once annotations are in place, extract common request/response models into components and reuse them across endpoints. Make sure to declare security schemes if endpoints require auth so the UI can perform authenticated calls. This saves time during testing and prevents mismatched contracts. Finally, verify and lock the setup. Open the Swagger UI, exercise endpoints, and export the Open API JSON/YAML for CI validation. Once done, integrate the generated spec into documentation sites or mock servers. Make sure to include versioning in the API info to avoid consumer confusion. If things go wrong, check package scanning configuration and ensure library versions match Spring Boot. Mismatched dependencies are the most common cause and usually quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.